What's up everybody? In this video I will tell you how to make bill payments via using Instapay. It's a very simple process. For that, the process is very easy. Just follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So all you have to do is to open the Atome Cash app and navigate to the bills. Select the bill you wish to pay and click on the Pay Now button. Choose the payment method as Instapay. You can change the payment method here and choose Instapay as the payment method. After that, a unique Instapay payment code will be generated, and copy the payment code. Click on the link provided below the payment code to access a list of supported banks. So here, how to pay through Instapay. Copy Atome 16 digits Instapay code. Open your bank mobile application website or your preferred e-wallet. Select the option to send money to the bank. Look for the Instapay logo and select it as the transfer method. Enter the recipient amount name, which can be Atome Cash, and paste the Insta code you copied earlier. Confirm the transaction detail. You will receive one-time passcode on your registered mobile number. Enter the OTP to authenticate the transaction. Once the OTP is verified, the payment will be completed and you will receive a confirmation. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful.